In this guide, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make a game pass here in Roblox. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. If you want to create a game pass in Roblox, the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice and go to roblox.com. What you're going to want to do here is log into your account, and up at the top of this page, kind of towards like the leftish middle section, there's going to be a little create section. Go ahead and select that. It's going to redirect you to the creator hub. If you aren't redirected properly, go back and then hit create again, or just type in create.roblox.com directly into your address bar and hit enter. Once you are on the Creator Hub though, go ahead and navigate over to this left-hand section and hit Creations just like so from the side panel, and make sure that you're on the Experiences tab. From here, go ahead and select your experience or simply click Create Experience. I recommend just using the public one that everybody has, and it's going to pull up a new page just like so. On this left-hand side, scroll down until you see monetization and find passes within it to open up a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is actually click Create a Pass. You're going to see the default pass image here. You can keep this or you could upload your own by clicking change and then selecting a custom icon. But what you're going to want to do is give your pass a name. I'm going to call this the BOZ pass. You can also give it a description if you'd like. But once you are done, hit create pass down at the bottom. After creating it, you're going to notice that pass down here. What you're going to want to do is actually select it to open up the game pass, and it's going to open up the settings specifically. And on this left hand side again, go ahead and select sales. Toggle this item on for sale on this page and enter in whatever price you would like. In this case, this is going to be kind of a pricey one. We're going to go with 100,000 Robux. This is probably the most expensive pass here on Roblox. Just keep in mind, you're only going to receive 70% of the sale price just because the rest does go back to Roblox. But whenever you're done, go ahead and hit save changes down at the bottom. And when you go back to your passes page by clicking back to passes, hover over your new pass right here and open it in a new tab. But what you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and open up your experience. And if you don't see it, navigate back to this page and just make sure it's set to public within this page. But yeah, it really is as easy as that. You've now created a game pass here in Roblox. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.